This sweet potato casserole, it warms my soul. It's the perfect blend of crunchy pecan streusel topping and a deliciously balanced creamy sweet potato filling. This pan gets wiped clean every time I make it. So let me show you how easy this is to whip up today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. Before anything else, let's preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Starting with the star of our dish, the sweet potato. I'm going to use 4 large sweet potatoes, and they need to be peeled so we can reveal that beautiful bright orange flesh. Now that they're all peeled, it's time to cube them up, and I like to cut them down the center first. Take those halves and cut them again lengthwise. And then we're just going to kind of rough cube these. The size of the cube really doesn't matter. It's not like it's chicken and we're worried about a safe internal temperature. Once you've got your cubes, you're gonna go ahead and put those into a pot that's large enough that you can safely cover them with water. Fill your pot with water until it just covers those cubes and place it onto the stove. Let it boil until those potato cubes become tender, which will take about 15 minutes. While our potatoes are simmering away and becoming tender, we're gonna grab a large bowl, add to that 1/2 cup of white sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of softened butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a little 1/2 teaspoon of magical vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients together until they're pretty well combined, and then really we just need to wait for our sweet potatoes to become tender. It's been about 15 minutes, and to check those potatoes, go ahead and spoon some out, grab a fork, and if it goes in really easy with little resistance, you know they're ready. Now just simply drain off the liquid from those sweet potatoes. Now we're gonna combine those tendered potato cubes into that mixture. Now we need to make this mixture nice and smooth. I'm gonna be using a hand mixer, but you could definitely use a potato masher, whatever works. The texture that we're looking for, it's really preferential. I like mine really smooth, but if you like little lumps in yours, then make it how you want to. Now simply pour that creamy mixture into a greased 3-quart baking dish. Go ahead and spread that out nice and evenly. Now this is pretty tasty as is, but we're gonna elevate it by giving it that amazing pecan streusel topping. And to make that, in a medium bowl, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/3 cup of white all-purpose flour. Mix those two together until combined. Now add in 3 tablespoons of salted butter, and you're gonna just wanna mash with a fork this into the mixture until it's nice and crumbly. The final touch is 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Simply mix that all together. Once that crunchy coating is mixed, you're gonna sprinkle it over the creamy layer. And make sure that that is spread evenly across. You can kind of spread it about with your hand. Now we're gonna pop this in our preheated oven, where it's going to bake for 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when the topping is golden brown and the sweet potato mixture is bubbly. Serve it nice and hot, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.